Introducing Pro-Fab, your solution for portable, movable cabins, homes, and offices. With Pro-Fab, you can take your living or working space wherever you go. Whether you're looking for a cozy cabin getaway, a functional home office, or a mobile workspace, our innovative designs have got you covered. Our cabins are designed to be easily transported and assembled in no time, providing you with ultimate convenience and freedom. Our cabins feature durable construction and high-quality materials, ensuring their longevity and resilience. Designed with your comfort in mind, each unit offers ample living or working space, customizable interiors, and modern amenities. Worried about energy efficiency? We've got that covered too. Our cabins are equipped with state-of-the-art insulation, energy-efficient appliances, and renewable energy options, minimizing your environmental footprint and reducing utility costs. Pro-Fab takes pride in its commitment to exceptional craftsmanship and attention to detail. Our team of skilled professionals ensures that every cabin meets our rigorous standards, providing you with a reliable and comfortable space that you can enjoy for years to come. So, whether you're seeking a peaceful retreat, a versatile office space, or a mobile home, choose Pro-Fab for the ultimate in portable, movable cabins, homes, and offices. Visit our website or contact us to explore our range of options and start your journey towards a flexible and fulfilling lifestyle with Pro-Fab. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.